Here's how to never lose a brilliant idea ever again. Swipe up diagonally from the bottom right corner with your finger or your Apple Pencil to pop up a quick note overlay. Here you can jot something down very fast and then check the box. This is perfect for Mini's portability, and you can do it from any app. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hey, if this video helped you out, feel free to subscribe. We're coming up on 30,000 subscribers, which is kind of wild. And smash that like button. Just a quick note, if for some reason this gesture is not working for you, head over to Settings and make sure you have full screen apps checked under multitasking and gestures, and you want to make sure you have swipe finger from corner checked off, and the bottom right corner says quick note. And for a bonus, if you're ever looking to take a screenshot, you just swipe up from the bottom left and that takes a screenshot, and from here you can go and edit that photo, and then it dumps it right into your photos album, or you can delete it from here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.